Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. So we're just jumping right into it. This is a clip-in tutorial on how I've been wearing my hair literally every single day. It's super easy. It takes less than 10 minutes to do. I actually did this before work. So as you see, I just have my hair twisted back in two big twists and I have a leave out at the top. So the clip-ins that I'm using are from CurlsCurls. Y'all already know how I feel about CurlsCurls. I use them all the time. I have their wigs, their clip-ins. I just love them. So I literally have not done anything to these clip-ins. I just took them out of the bag that I keep them in. It's just a small satin bag and I keep my clip-ins in there when I'm not wearing them. So this part is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just clipping them onto my head, not in any particular order, just to where they will fit the size of my head. And as you can see, they already look really good. They look exactly like my hair, which is what I absolutely love. All right, so I'm all done clipping in the clip-ins to my head. It is so easy. It took about 5 minutes to do. So I'm just taking my leave out and putting it exactly where I want it to go, covering the tracks where the clip-ins are. And I'm just going to take my water bottle, spray my hair with some water, and then I'm going to be using the gel of my choice. You can use whatever gel you want, but I am using the extreme wetline gel, and I'm just running it through my hair, and the way that it defines my curls is absolutely amazing, and it mimics the CurlsCurls clip-ins almost exactly. It blends so well with my hair. I cannot get enough of these clip-ins. Everybody thinks that this is my real hair. And I just continue to do this throughout the rest of my hair. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you love how quick and easy this hairstyle is and you love how well it blends with natural hair. Make sure you check the description box for my coupon code so that you can save some coins at checkout on your CurlsCurls clip-ins. All right, y'all, so that is basically it. I am all done. I'm just taking my water bottle and just spraying the rest of the clip-ins so that I could just refresh the curls a little bit. But that is it. This literally took me like 10 minutes to do before work. And I am in love. Look how realistic it looks. I love the texture, the length, and everything. It's really hard to find clip-ins to match your exact texture, but these clip-ins are every single thing. Definitely make sure that you check them out and let me know what you think down below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you all on the next video.